Welcome to the Dura Pump Connect tutorial video. In this easy to follow video, we will show you everything you need to know about managing your assets using our easy to use online platform. On the Dura Pump website, click on Dura Pump Connect. Here you can register an account or just log in with your existing account. The main home screen gives you options to choose from: quotes, jobs, invoices, sites, assets, and reports. First, let's look at quotes. In quotes, you can see a list of outstanding quotes you currently have, and any quotes which you may have already actioned. In outstanding quotes, any quotes which you have actioned or which you have approved will be shown here. The drop-down box allows you to either print the quote or view the original PDF quote supplied to you. Moving on to the job section. This is divided into several areas. Pending jobs. When you have approved a quote, the job will be moved here. Once an engineer has been allocated to the job, or a date for parts arrival has been confirmed, the job will be moved to progress. Once a job has been dispatched or completed on site, it will move to complete. Once the job is complete and the office has checked that everything is in order, the job sheet is attached to the system and the job will then be moved to the invoice stage. The archive section displays all completed and archived jobs, or jobs which have automatically been moved here if they have not been accessed on the system for a while. At this stage, you will receive notification to say that the job card is live and ready to view. Let's look at these areas in a little more detail. Pending jobs. You can see here that we have a job which is outstanding for an item which requires a service. By hovering your mouse over the status icon, you can view the status of the job. In this case, you can see it is a new job and no action has been taken yet. Other statuses may say that the tasks have been closed and it is ready to be scheduled or dispatched to an engineer. Progress jobs. Here you will see jobs which are currently in progress. The scheduled date is shown here as 11th of September, and the status shows that a technician has been scheduled to the job. Once an engineer has received the job on the scheduled date, this status will change and tell you that the engineer is travelling to the job or is currently on site at the job. Once the engineer completes the work, the job will move to the complete section, where you can view a report of the job and what work has been carried out. The status will confirm that the job has been approved and moved to the invoicing stage. Invoicing. Here you will see a list of jobs which have been moved to the invoicing stage and awaiting payment. Archived. Your complete list of archived jobs and invoices are listed here, with the option of viewing and printing relevant documents related to the job at the drop-down box. The Invoices section lets you easily view all current paid and unpaid invoices, and lets you see how many days overdue invoices may be. The next tab along is Sites. Here you can view a complete list of all your sites which can be quickly accessed alphabetically. Assets. The Assets section helps drive compliance and keep all assets in one place. Here you will see a list of all your sites where you have assets. Clicking on a site will give you a full list of all assets on that site. Looking at an asset in more detail, the single pump station, it automatically gives us an asset ID, which you can add to the asset on site. Information such as asset location and if lifting equipment is required is listed here. Other asset details include pump manufacturer and pump type. The drop-down box at the end allows you to access the history of the asset, or request a quote for a job should there be a problem with the asset, or book a job for the asset, with fields allowing you to add a little more detail on what is required. Once a job is booked, this is automatically sent to the Dura Pump team. The same process can be done by simply clicking the Request a Quote button at the top right of the screen here, where you can also go straight to booking a job. Thank you for watching our short video on Dura Pump Connect.